Hello. Today we are learning about the teacher mic. Woohoo! So let's first learn how to turn it on and off. Right here's the power and mute button. You hold it down to turn it off and hold it down to turn it on. And you can see the lights. If it's green, you're paired. If you tap it once, it mutes. Now, muting is super important because this microphone works from very far away. So you can be down the hall talking to another student and everybody will hear. Now you can see that there is a select button here that allows you to toggle between your mic and your student mic. So you can see it says own and other. Other is your student mic, so you can mute your student mic as I did right here. You see it's blinking while I'm on the student mic. I don't have a student mic, but if you do and you want to practice this, let me know and I'll come help you. I can also help you set up correct volume. If it's too loud, it can have negative impacts on how your students perceive your classroom. Right here on the sides are the emergency buttons. So you would just squeeze them like that and admin will show up.